Thank you. So first of all, thanks for having me today to show you and walk you through how you can submit your model on the STP platform. And so this is a walkthrough, so I will switch back to the browser. And if you have a laptop, I see some of you have a laptop with you, so you can try to do this with me together. Okay. And this is a link. So please go to this link if you have a laptop with you. And also for all the contestants online, please do so. Okay. Okay, so this is the login page. So first off, I need to remind you, so you can see I'm using the Google Chrome right now. So this is the recommended browser to log in. So if you want to use, so we do not recommend you to use IE, Firefox, or Safari, because if you use all these browsers, sometimes the graphics of the platform will be distorted. So for better experience, use Chrome. So I think by now you should already have your login email. If not, please contact EMSD. Okay. Okay, so after your first time login, you should see a notification up there. If you click on there, you can see there's an invitation. So this person, Martin, he's my colleague from STP platform as well. He's actually inviting you to join the project. So please click Actions and agree to join. So after this action, you can switch back to the Project tab. And now you can see you're in the project. So this is very important. So this O-P12345 is actually your team ID. So you need to remember that, or you need to go back. You can go back to this page anytime, because you need this team ID for your submission later on, and I will show you in a bit. So always switch back to this page, look for a team ID. And so during the context, after you have built your model, you construct your Python script, you need to submit your model and all the deliverables according to the rulebook on this platform. So the rulebook, another reminder to you, the rulebook looks like this, a few pages, 22 pages about. So I think EMSC had already sent you the latest version last night. So please go to your mailbox and check and print it out, or have it with you all the time during the context. And it should be informative enough so you can always look back into this rulebook. If you have any questions, go to the last page. There's a support email. You can contact us directly or contact the EMSD person as well during the context. So let me walk you through how you can submit your model. So assume I am one of the contestants as well, and I want to submit my model. What I need to do first is to go to the mine and dataset. So I'll try to do it slowly for everyone so you can follow. So after you're going to this page, click the Create Dataset tab on the right-hand corner. And then you need to assign a name for this dataset. And you need to input a specific name according to the rulebook. Yep. So for the dataset name, you need to put in the global AI challenge space, and you need to input your team ID. And if you are submitting all these deliverables or these materials for your interim submission, you need to input interim submission. And for the dataset alias, which is also compulsory, you need to input the same thing without any space. So you can do like this. Okay, that's it. So this is how you create a data set before you submit your model. And after you have all this ready, click Create Data Set. Okay, separate the duplicates. Or just this one. Okay, so you will be navigate to this page. So you can simply click here and select the deliverables or the materials you want to submit from your local machine. For example, this is for the interim submission, so I will go to my interim folder and select all the materials I need to submit. So if you don't know what you need to submit, please refer to the rulebook, section 8, the submission section. So after you have highlighted all these materials, click Open, and it will be uploaded to the platform straight away. And then you can click Next Step, and then you will be in the dataset page. If you want to check what you have uploaded to the platform, click on the data, and you can see the files you have just submitted. And if you change your mind, you want to delete this data and upload a new one, you can click on the data name and then click this little bin button to delete it. If you want to upload it again, click on the upload button, click here as well, and upload it again. Okay, so this is how you create the dataset and upload the materials you want to submit. And right before you, so after you have made sure these are the data you want to, or these are the materials you want to submit, you need to do one more step. Go to Publish tab and click this Immutable. That means you're going to freeze the data you have submitted. After you have clicked this Immutable and submit, you will never be able to update your data again. So only do this when you're ready to submit your model. Okay. So I'll just try again. Change to Immutable, submit. And this operation is irreversible, so make sure you do it only when you're ready. And then if you click OK, and then if you go back to the Data tab, now these data are freeze, and you cannot edit anymore, okay? And then the judges will go into this folder and look at these, and they will download all these materials and to evaluate your model. And I think this is all I need to say. And remember, if you are submitting for, this is optional for the interim submission. If you're not going for the interim submission, if you're only going for the final submission, create the folder name with the final submission at the end, okay? So that's all I want to share, and good luck to all of you. Have fun. Thank you.